Welcome. I'm Jesse Swear, nationally recognized inclusive fitness trainer, Silver Sneaker Flex instructor. Find out more about me, visit my website, www.jesseswear.com. Today, for those instructors, older adults, seniors, individuals my age, I'm going to be showing you a simple exercise that you can do to engage those hips, strengthen those hips, especially if they're tight. And you can do it without weight. And then what you can do is modifications, start adding objects to improve the extension and the flexion, not only of your back, but of your hips as well. So how do we do it? Right? So I'm gonna really just kind of get my feet in that 10 and the 2 position. And I'm gonna just take my hands and I wanna try to keep my spine in neutral. And I wanna activate those hips. Now, I'll show you from the side because you're just seeing that frontal position. When I say keep my back in neutral position, those feet are in 10 and the 2, this is the position you want to be in and you want to look like. A lot of individuals, they'll come to here and they'll think they're going and getting their hips flexed. Now, are you engaging your hip flexors? You are, but you really want to be able to engage those hip flexors and be able to drop down and keep that spine in neutral, not leaning forward like this, but staying in neutral. You're going to feel that pull, not only on the hip flexors, but the internal hip flexors and the external hip flexors. And you're going to feel that back as well engage to keep you posturally in line. Now, if you can do that, you want to advance. So I brought a couple items. I just brought a towel, using my bonker for my dogs, and I'm just going to come down with it now. Same thing, but the difference is that now I'm going to raise it above my head and lift up. Drop down and lift up. Now, if you can do this with just a regular towel, you can just get a hand towel and wrap it up, fold it up, keep it over, really lightweight. It allows you then go to the next, a book, right? A little heavier. You can set that book down in front of you. You're just gonna take those hands down, grab it, lift it up above, extend as far as you can, and then back on up. Same thing. If you can do that book because it got a little heavier, well, now you might be able to add a weight. I brought a kettlebell. It's 10 pounds. You might want to start with a lightweight dumbbell, 2 pounds, 5 pounds, and work your way up. As I lay this down here, this is a workout in itself, but you want to be able to get those hips down. It's going to help with mobility. It's going to help with strength. And it's going to help with injury prevention. A quick, simple way to do it. 3 different ways, without weight, with a towel, with a book, and then with a weight. And then you can continue to progress from there. Please subscribe, keep coming back, and catch my other video in regards to proper goblet squats.